Here we go. And here it is, dual break box 13 and 14, 11:21 Eastern Standard Time. Here's everybody up in the breaks. Definitely appreciate you guys being here tonight. All right, let's give it a go. First box, here we go. For the Bears, Jim McMahon, $9.96, $9.99. This guy's all over the place. Brad Sorenshin, 408 out of $9.99, going to the Chargers. And Stedman Bailey, 429, $9.99. Going to those Rams. Michael Vick, that'll be 70 out of 100. Going to those Eagles. First time opening packs, which is really fun. I'm just joking. This is not. Here's Robert Woods, short print. Hey, we've hit a lot of these short prints. 4 out of 10. Robert Woods going to Buffalo. That's Brandon Alicia. There you go. That's a nice little hit. Let me get you a case on that. Anything number to 10. Gotta get you a case for that little Robert Woods. So number to 10, new generation, going to Buffalo. There you go. Is that Joe? Wait, Joe Cons 11. That ain't bad. They're loading up the boxes other than the hot boxes, which is weird. Hey, here's a nice little patch. 16 out of 49. 8 green. So going to Cincinnati. Randy D. Good to see Randy D back. Where you been, player? Come on. So you guys still have another box after this, so just taking a look at certified, looks okay. Here's another hit for Cincy. That's going to be Tyler Eifert out of $9.99. There's John Franklin, 19 out of 250. And there's a Lance, Allworth out of $9.99. But then, actually, this is nice. There's 2 base cards, but this is a Quentin Patton. It's going to be short print with a nice patch in there. So that's 25 out of 49, but a nice patch in there as opposed to the normal jersey. So that's going to San Fran, little Cisco treat. Joe Cons, just killing it. There you go, buddy. Cool. I'm telling you, there's some nice hits in here. I think that the rookie autos look pretty neat. So there's Denarius Moore, 2 out of 250. That'll do it for the first box. But let's go ahead and get to this next one. All right. right. Right out the gate, Stephon Taylor. That'll be 37 out of 250. I feel like it's a little bit shorter print. It is. It's all red, which is nice. So 37 out of 250 going to Arizona. Who's got that? Smitty. 09. Uh-huh. Nice little hit there, bub. Starting things off. Dayton Jones out of 9.99. Going to those Packers. There's Michael Riviera. Or Rivera? Yeah. Out of 9.99. Auto. Going to Oaktown. All right. Here's LT out of 9.99. Immortals. Going to San Diego. Aoshe. There's a little Fitz short print out of 100. Arizona. Arizona Hot Box. There is a, what is this? Blitty Ree Wilson? Blighty? What? Okay. And then a Ryan Kerrigan out of 9.99, 86, 9.99, going to Washington. You got Drew Bledsoe Immortals out of 250. Bleedy Ray. Okay. I was reading into it. There's CJ Spiller, 272 out of 299. That'll be going to those Beals. Sorry I didn't brush up on. Does he know Alex Thompson from just joking. Here's Derrick Rogers. That'll be going to those Bills. And last pack here out of certified. Jake, I won't have a job next year. Locker. And, or I should say, Jake, clear out my locker. 179, 250. There you go. That'll do it for certified. So certified, actually, the boxes are kind of loaded, other than